We often use these terms interchangeably, but in economics, they measure two very different aspects of your personal well-being. Let's compare the cold, hard data of wealth against the subjective experience of daily life. Standard of living is essentially the economic baseline, what you can afford. Quality of life is the human experience of that baseline. While income is easy to track on a chart, factors like safety or leisure time are harder to quantify but essential for quality of life. Standard of living is the objective side. When economists talk about growth, they are almost always referring to these measurable material metrics. Quality of life, however, captures the intangible. It asks whether that material wealth is actually translating into a healthy and satisfying existence. Interestingly, data shows that money improves life significantly until basic needs are met, after which the correlation between wealth and happiness begins to level off. The most successful financial plans aim for both: enough income to secure your standard of living and enough time to enjoy your quality of life. Understanding the difference helps you prioritize your goals. Subscribe for more money basics and save this video for later.